टीम के साथ अरेस्ट करना पड़ा और बाकी भी ये सारा रहेगा। आप लोग एक पिलर हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के भी, न्याय के भी। मैडम भावना ने जो बात बताया बिल्कुल ब्रीफ में बताया। डिटेल जो है वो अब ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन के बारे में मिस्टर ओपी व्यास जो है वो बताएंगे।
No. Unless we get it.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम ओपी व्यास है। मेरा नाम ओपी व्यास है। मैं फॉर्मर जॉइंट रजिस्ट्रार लॉ हूँ नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन का और वर्तमान में सुप्रीम कोर्ट और हाई कोर्ट्स में प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ। मानव अधिकार आयोग में 27 वर्ष तक कार्य करने के दौरान मैंने लाखों कंप्लेंट्स बंगाल की देखी हैं, लेकिन जो विभत्स नज़ारा मानव अधिकारों का जो हनन जो है व्यापक पैमाने पे या अब देखने को मिला है। मानव अधिकारों का हनन यहाँ के विक्टिम्स को, यहाँ के पीड़ितों का ही नहीं हुआ, मानव अधिकारों का हनन हमारा भी हुआ। जिस देश में रूल ऑफ लॉ चलता है, जिस सिविल सोसाइटी के अंदर हम रहते हैं, बिना किसी कानून की धज्जियां उड़ा करके हम लोगों को रोका गया आने के लिए। अनलॉफुली हमको अरेस्ट किया गया, इलीगल हमारी अरेस्ट हुई है। मैं मीडिया के माध्यम से पूरे बंगाल की जनता को यह कहना चाहता हूं कि यहाँ की पुलिस का जो एक्शन था वो यहीं के लोगों के लिए पार्टीजन और पक्षपातपूर्ण नहीं था, हमारे प्रति भी था। हम समाज में जो अपना स्थान रखते हैं, क्या हम शांति भंग करेंगे? हम यहाँ पीड़ितों से मिलने के लिए आ रहे थे, तो इस तरीके का जो है ये सभ्य समाज के अंदर अलाउड नहीं है किसी भी तरीके से। यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे रात को महिलाओं को पकड़ करके ले जाना। मुझे लोगों ने बताया कि जबरन मजदूरी करवाना, और यदि मजदूरी करने से यदि कोई मना करता है तो कंगारू कोर्ट लगा करके और पिटाई करना, उनके साथ में बर्बरता करना। कोई अपना ठेला भी लगाना चाहता है, कोई लकड़ी का यदि अपना छोटा सा दुकान भी करना चाहता है, 25,000 30,000 की टोलाबाजी जो है पार्टी फंड में जब तक नहीं देंगे वो अपनी रोजी रोटी नहीं कमा सकता। जमीनों के टुकड़े टुकड़े करके इन लोगों ने बेच दिया। जिस तरीके से वो अरेस्ट हुआ, ऐसे लगा जैसे मुगल साम्राज्य के अंदर जैसे वो एक तो शाहजहां होते थे बादशाह, और एक पता नहीं कितने शाहजहां होंगे इस बंगाल के अंदर इस तरीके का। अभी तो ये सामने आया है, और ऐसे सवारी निकल रही थी वो शाहजहां की कि जैसे वो पुलिस को डेलीगेशन को लीड कर रहे हो। चाल, चरित्र और चेहरा, ये तीनों चीजों का नंगा नाच जो है ये आप लोगों ने इसके अंदर देखा होगा। निश्चित रूप से मैं बहुत दुखी हूं, बहुत शर्मिंदा हूं, और इतने सारे लोगों ने जो आरोप लगाए और महिलाएं जिस तरीके से निकल करके आई है, मैं कहूंगा मानव अधिकारों का यहाँ पे जो स्थिति है बेहद चिंताजनक है। धन्यवाद।
In this context, I want to salute the brave women of Sandesh Khali who have revolted against it, and this should be a lesson for all the persons who think of doing any harm to our women folk. What is more painful for us is that in a state which is ruled by a woman chief minister, such things are happening to women. Unfortunately, instead of giving a helping hand to them or consoling them, the consolation was to the perpetrators. It was very unfortunate, and in any other place the person would have taken the responsibility to step down once the perpetration of the woman has come out and the culprit, the main kingpin, has been arrested and who has been escaping arrest with the state support. It is a very serious issue. It is a reflection on the entire state government and in particular the police administration. The responsibility should be taken by them in accordance with law. Question एक एक few questions only relevant, not in general, not political motivated.
आप रिपोर्ट तैयार करने वाले हैं, उसे कहाँ भेजा जाएगा इसके बारे में?
Pardon?
जो आप रिपोर्ट तैयार करने वाले हैं यहाँ से जाने के बाद, वो रिपोर्ट आप कहाँ भेजेंगे?
We have submitted our interim report to the Honorable Governor, and this time the final report we will think of submitting this because the issue is of national importance and the issue is grave in nature. Therefore, we will think of submitting the report to the Honorable President of India,
Home Minister.
the Home Ministry, Governor, and if the Honorable Chief Minister is willing to accept, we will give it to her also.
Sir, this submission of reports, this keeps on happening after any such unfortunate incident. But as a citizen of West Bengal and on their behalf, are your reports going to bear any fruit? Will your organization, this fact-finding team, move legally Supreme Court or High Court to force the administration to take steps to this for the ladies,
Yes.
for the persons who have all been deprived?
Certainly, see, this is a democratic country and we are strictly following the democratic norms. You may have seen that when we first visited the state, there were some persons, unfortunately from media itself, who asked what is your motivation, why did you come here, why are you going to other places and all that. Today, they should realize that on account of our repeated efforts and with the concerted effort made by the media, there are several other agencies, political pressure, intervention by the court. But on our part, we played a role which cannot be just ruled out like that. The follow-up action, you have rightly said that it is not a mere formality to submit report. That would have been possible, that would have been expected or imagined if only it was a pleasure trip for us. You have seen how much difficulties we have faced when we were prevented there, right by the side of very, very ugly water stream with full of steam and dust. We sat there for 2 hours right in the sunlight. It was not a pleasure trip for us because our aim was that we will be satisfied at least if we are able to wipe the tears of our unfortunate sisters and mothers to a certain extent. And fortunately for us, the Honorable High Court interfered and we are today, and the revelation by the Honorable Member really startling, and it is a blot on the history of Bengal, because if in Bengal such things are happening, it is a sad reflection on the entire state. Because suppose if in Gaza something has taken place, the entire country is known after that. Some atrocities or some famine, like that if in Bengal these type of things are happening, the people should wake up and say that yes, enough is enough, we will not permit these things to occur. That is one. Second is whoever has done it must pay the price for it so that the history will not forgive them.
Sir, you are visiting Chandrashkhali after the arrest of Sheikh Shah Jahan. So far, the request of these women was to arrest Sheikh Shah Jahan. Now that Sheikh Shah Jahan has been arrested, these women are saying that there are more other people, more henchmen of Sheikh Shah Jahan,
Yes.
and they are living in fear.
Yes.
So what are you going to recommend in your report to control or to handle this situation?
So we will only highlight the atrocities on women in Chandrashkhali, and what is more important is that at least here our sisters and mothers have gained the courage after undergoing the ordeal for quite some time. But at least in other places, there are many places we are told that where the oppression was so severe that they did not even gain courage to speak. With this development, let us hope that wherever it is occurring, and the people will come out, and we really congratulate the press in this behalf, because but for